Hi guys, so in this video we'll learn about how we can create beautiful network graphs, okay, and how you can install it, and we'll use Pyvis library over here to install, okay. So to do that, let's create a directory, okay. So we are using Pyvis, okay, and we will put there. So let's go to here in the directory, so cd pyvis, and over here I will initiate poetry, okay. I keep them the default values. Now poetry add pyvis, so it's adding it. And so where this network graphs are useful, right? You may be thinking why we are learning it. So they are useful in finding out the social media network, okay. So how you are connected, how many people you are connected, to find out the frauds, okay. So network graphs are very useful, okay. And if you are using a digit or any algorithm, okay, there you want to find out the shortest path, then also you can use it to visualize your code, okay. And it's very easy to create nodes, edges, and you get customized based on their size, color, okay. It's very easy to create nodes, edges, and you get customized based on their size, color, okay. And you can directly edit the network X and create a cycle graph or anything, and you can add menu so that you can add more customization to your code or to your graph, okay. Let's start. So tut one, simple one, that will be the basic, okay, and that will be used in a whole code, whole tutorial, okay. pyvis dot network, okay, and import network. And here in the main I will create a object of network, and here I will add. So to add a node, just type it like this, add node, okay. Then node name, that I want it as a, okay. Label, I will give it as a, okay. Now I'm adding it b, okay. And next I want to be both of them to be connected, so I'm adding it an edge, okay. So I want a connection between a and b, okay. And if you want, you can add more things over here, okay. But for now I'm adding it like this, okay. And I will create a HTML page, okay. Create an HTML page, you can use write HTML, okay. And this is gonna be my tut1.html, okay. And if I run right now, let's activate poetry first, okay. So it's activated now, python tut1. So you see, now we got an HTML page, okay. So if you want to see this, then we created a beautiful uh, network graph where there is a connection between A and B, right? And there is a physics over here, right? When we are moving it, it's increasing. It's like a spring, right? So if you want it like this, then all good. But if you don't want it to be a spring, then what you can add it here is physics. Physics is as false, okay. And if I run it now, then you can see it's not moving at all. So there is no spring movement now anymore.